Hey everyone, and welcome. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the year 2035. It might seem far off, but in the world of artificial intelligence, a decade is an eternity of innovation. What will our world look like when AI is even more deeply integrated into our lives? Today, we're taking a speculative journey into AI World 2035 to explore the exciting, and sometimes challenging, possibilities that await us. Get ready to envision the future. 1. Hyper-personalized living, your AI companion. First, picture your daily life in 2035. Imagine waking up to an AI assistant that doesn't just manage your schedule but truly understands your preferences, mood, and goals. Picture it proactively optimizing your day, suggesting personalized health routines, curating your newsfeed with uncanny accuracy, and even anticipating your needs before you express them. Your home is a truly smart environment, adapting to your comfort and security needs seamlessly, all orchestrated by intelligent agents. 2. Autonomous transportation, seamless journeys. Next, step outside. Imagine city streets filled with fully autonomous vehicles, cars, buses, and delivery drones, all communicating with each other and smart infrastructure. Picture traffic jams are rare, accidents are drastically reduced, and commute times are optimized. Perhaps even urban air mobility, UAM, those flying taxis, are becoming a common sight for faster, short-distance travel within dense urban areas. Getting from A to B is no longer a chore, but a seamless experience. 3. Transformed healthcare, predictive and proactive. Now, let's look at health. Imagine AI transforming healthcare from reactive to predictive and proactive. Picture AI analyzing your genomic data, lifestyle, and real-time biometric readings to predict health risks years in advance. Picture personalized treatment plans generated by AI, surgical robots performing with microscopic precision, and AI-powered drug discovery accelerating cures for complex diseases. Healthcare is more accessible, accurate, and preventive. 4. The evolving workplace, human-AI collaboration. Consider your job in 2035. Imagine a workplace where humans and AI collaborate intrinsically. Picture AI agents handling all repetitive, data-heavy, or analytical tasks, freeing human workers for creativity, complex problem-solving, empathy, and strategic thinking. New job roles focused on AI oversight, ethical AI development, and human-AI synergy will be commonplace. It's not about AI replacing humans, but augmenting our capabilities to reach new levels of productivity and innovation. 5. Education reimagined, personalized learning paths. Education in 2035 will be highly personalized. Imagine AI tutors adapting to each student's unique learning style, pace, and interests. Picture educational content generated dynamically, providing immersive and interactive experiences, from virtual field trips to AI-powered simulations. Learning becomes a lifelong, engaging, and deeply individualized journey, accessible to almost anyone, anywhere. 6. Ethical challenges and governance, AI's guiding principles. But it's not all utopian. Imagine the ongoing ethical debates and the crucial need for robust AI governance. Picture discussions around data privacy, algorithmic bias, AI transparency, and accountability being central to societal discourse. Governments and international bodies will have established clear frameworks and regulations to ensure AI development remains beneficial and aligns with human values, constantly balancing innovation with safety and fairness. 7. Creativity unleashed, AI as a muse. Finally, consider the explosion of creativity. Imagine AI as a powerful tool for artists, musicians, writers, and designers. Picture AI acting as a collaborative muse, generating new concepts, refining ideas, and even creating entire works of art based on human prompts. Human creativity isn't diminished but amplified, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in arts and culture, leading to entirely new forms of expression. Conclusion. AI World 2035 promises a future deeply shaped by artificial intelligence. It's a world of incredible efficiency, personalized experiences, and groundbreaking advancements across every sector. While we acknowledge the challenges and the importance of ethical development, the potential for AI to enhance human lives and solve some of our biggest global problems is truly immense. The future isn't just coming, it's being built, one AI innovation at a time. Outro. What aspect of AI World 2035 excites or concerns you the most? What do you hope AI will achieve by then? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating glimpses into the future of technology. Thanks for watching.